Hey guys, it's Tony W. I bought myself this AutoSpa Suds and Spray foam car wash system. I thought it was pretty neat. It only cost me about $19.99 because it was on sale, but it's also $25 if it's not on sale. But it's pretty interesting and easy. It's definitely not a foam cannon. This is a foam cannon I have with my pressure washer. I love this thing when I wash my cars and detail my cars. But if you're just doing a quick wash of your car, this foam system is actually pretty good too, because what it does is just adds you just add the spray and then use a garden hose to send suds all over your car to lift up dirt. It also comes with a interesting soaking brush, as well as a wash mitt. So to be honest, I'm more interested in that the foam system. So I'm putting some Meguiar's wash and wax in there. I'm using about 4-ish ounces or so, probably a little more, and I'm going to add water into this mixture so that it basically uses that and pumps them through. All you need is a garden hose, which is really nice, and that's the best part, because usually if you bring out the foam cannon, it takes a lot of it takes power, it takes time to set up. This is a lot faster because all you do is connect up your garden hose to it, and it basically makes suds for you with that little aerator in front. So it makes really nice suds, and it helps you lift up all the dirt before you wash the car. So once basically a quick lift of dirt, I spray it again, rinse it, and then put another layer on, and then I use my wash mitt. So it lifts up most of the dirt on the second one, so it's really cool and it's really convenient. The wash mitt was nice as well. It has an adjustable strap. But overall, this is very, very convenient, especially if you just go do a quick car wash. This is awesome. And especially if you have multiple cars too. Definitely not as cool as the foam cannon, but to be honest, I'll use that when I'm detailing. This is for every weekend and stuff to wash my car. Anyways, guys, this is Tony W. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.